Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon. It's going to take you to your page. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three stroke at the top. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Account Center. So it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Click on Password and Security. It's going to take you here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Two-Factor Authentication. So it's going to take you right here. If you have multiple Instagram accounts, choose the account you want to enable the authentication factor. So I'm going to choose this account right here. Next thing you want to do is going to take you right here. Add extra security to your account. So you have two options of this security method. The first one here is authentication app, which is recommended, or better still, you can use SMS or WhatsApp. So I'm going to use this particular method, WhatsApp. Next thing you need to do is just simply click on Next. Then you are going to send codes to the WhatsApp account. So here is the code. I'm going to simply copy the code. So once I copy the code, I'll go back to my Instagram. I'll click and push down. I'll paste the code right here. Just like so. Next thing I need to do is to click on Next. So just like so, two-factor authentication is on. What you need to do is to simply click on Done. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram accounts and improve your Instagram security. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how best to use Instagram app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.